All right, guys, so we're going to be talking about Forexfactory and major news events. I'm going to leave the link down below. You can always just type in forexfactory.com, save it to your browser. This is going to be one of the websites that you can definitely use as a resource for a trader. It's a must. I highly recommend it. No matter what strategy, no matter what style of trading you're looking for or you end up pursuing down your journey, I always and highly recommend that you check this website right before your session just to keep you up to date with any major news events. What I like to do is I keep it in my browser. It's part of my trading plan. The moment I wake up and sit in the computer to trade for my business hours, my trading hours, I like to look at Forexfactory. So you can see for today, Thursday, March 3, we have these yellow folders. We have orange and we have the red. So the yellow folders are going to be low impact. I don't worry too much about those. The orange folder, I don't worry too much about those either, to be completely honest with you guys. The ones that I really do worry about are going to be the red folders. Those are going to be the high impact news. So as you can see, for the US dollar, we had two red folders that are high impact news at 10 in the morning. So let's just say I'm sitting on the computer. It's 9:55 or it's 9 and I'm about to place a trade. I am very cautious of the trade that I'm going to place, or I just simply do not place that trade. Why? Especially if I'm trading a pair with the US dollar as the base or the core currency. I like to stay away from the pair and I like to stay away from that trade. I like to give it at least maybe 5 to 10 minutes. I don't like to place a trade 5 to 10 minutes before the impact, or 5 to 10 minutes when I wait 5 to 10 minutes after. So that's kind of like the breathing room that I give for any high major impact news. News can last anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes depending on the impact that it has. That's why I just like to give it that breathing room. So yeah, this is one of those resources that I highly recommend that you use as a trader. Have it as part of your trading plan. Once you get deeper down in your journey and you set up and develop a trading plan and you write it down, put this in there. Definitely save it to your browser, save it as a favorite, bookmark it, whatever it is you need to do. Just get in the habit of opening it up and just looking at it. Even if you're not trading, just look at it, open it up, just so you can see more or less, okay, right now it's Thursday, we have two red folders. For the US dollar at 10 in the morning, we have one at 11:30 for the Canadian dollar, and we have one for the Canadian dollar at 3:30. So if you see this one is at 3:30 and it's outside of your session, do not worry about it because you're not going to be trading it. You see this one is inside your session, or if this one is inside your session, then just be cautious when you're on the chart.